Hello friends, welcome back to a new video in JavaScript series, and in this video we are going to learn about do while loop in JavaScript. But before that, if you have not subscribed till now, please make sure you subscribe friends. Okay, now let's see what is do while loop in JavaScript. You can read this friends. The principle of do while is you must do the loop minimum one time. So what does that mean? So that is nothing but let's again take the same example friends as we have taken that example in while loop. One fine day you are going to write exam but you forgot examination hall ticket or admit card. Now there is no one who is checking for the hall tickets at the doorstep of your examination hall. So you just nicely went inside the exam hall and you sat. After 5 minutes, after all the students has taken their places, there's a guy who is coming for checking the hall tickets. Now he came to you, he saw that you don't have hall ticket, then he kicked you out. He sent you outside. Now here what happens? What happened? Since you don't have hall ticket, you just thrown out. So here the condition is checking after the loop started, right? So here minimum one time loop is executing. Okay, at first you are allowed inside. After checking the condition that you don't have hall ticket only, you were sent outside, but at first you were allowed inside, right? So that is the concept of do while loop. Here that examination hall is while loop, and that guy who is checking for the hall ticket at the last is the condition of the do while loop. Okay, now that is why we call this as do while loop is called exit control loop and while loop is called entry control loop, because in case of while loop at the doorstep only he will check for the hall tickets. I mean condition is checking at the first point itself, but in case of do while, first loop is going to execute for at least minimum. It means you are allowed to sit inside the exam for at least once, and then after that condition is going to be checked, right? So let's see this in examples. I write the syntax first. Do while loop syntax. Here do, I'll write do and open brackets. Here you can write your code or statements, and here is the condition. Okay, here is the place where the condition is checked. Okay, now let's comment this everything out. Let's write some simple example. I am taking variable I equal to 12. Okay, and I will write do keyword, and then I'll open, and then I'll write console.log. I'll print that I itself. Okay, and here we need to increment that, and after that here is a part of condition. So here we have to write the condition, and condition is I less than or equal to 15. So this is our condition. Now let's see what we'll get as output. I'm going to index.html and I'll open this with live server. Okay, I'll inspect this. So you can see friends, we got output as 12, 13, 14 and 15, right? So let's see how the control flow will execute this do while loop. So as usual I will write clearly. First I value equal to 12. Okay, then obviously output equal to 12 directly, because control flow will check I equal to 2 and then it will enter into the loop. It will directly saw this statement, will see this statement, and it will print output as 12. Okay, after that I is incremented. It means value will become 13 now. Now it's time to condition. Now is 13 less than 15? Obviously 13 is less than 15, right? So now I value will become 13. Again output will become 13 and value will become 14 now, because it is incremented, right? Now the condition part, 14 is less than 15, obviously 14 is less than 15, then again it will go above. Now I value will become 14, obviously output will become 14 and value will become 15 after incrementing. Now see here I equal to 15 and output will also be 15, right? 15. Now value will become 16. Okay, now because I is 15 and it is incremented now, I plus plus, it has become 16 now. Now it will check for the condition, is 16 less than 16? I mean is 16 less than 15? No, right? So this is the point where loop is going to be terminated. So control flow will come out of that loop. So this is how do while loop is going to be work. So let's write the same example using while loop first once. Okay, I'll write variable I equal to 12 and I'll write while here condition, and I'll write I less than or equal to 15. Okay, I'll open this, I'll write console.log and I'll write I just, and after that I'll increment the I value. Okay, now let's see what let's separate them with a dash. Now let us see. I'll open Chrome. Okay, something is wrong with this. Let's go to index.html and again we'll open with live server. Okay, let's inspect this. So you can see friends, we got 12, 13, 14, 15 and then 12, 13, 14, 15. We got that outputs in the same outputs, right? Now what is the difference between these two? What is the point of using them? So let's change a bit now. Here I will write, instead of less than or equal to 15, I will write greater than or equal to 15. Here also I will change the value. Now I will write greater than or equal to 15. So now let's see what we are going to get. Again I will open this with live server. Again I will inspect, and then again I will open console. Now we can see we got only 12 as output. Why? Because this 12 is you only. You only first allowed to enter the exam hall and you sat, right? So that is the 12 only now. Let's see that. Here we all know that first I value be equal to 12 and output will also be directly 12, and after that is I value will be incremented. It means value will become 13 now. Is 13 greater than 15? No. Then program control flow will come out of that loop. But already output is printed as 12, right? So we got that 12 only. But in case of while loop, here first I will be equal to 12. Directly first condition is going to be checked. Is I greater than 15? I mean 12 is not greater than 15, right? Then obviously control flow will come out of that loop without executing any statement. Okay, so that is the difference between while loop and do while loop. And one more thing guys, never fall into something called infinite loops. So that is nothing but you should never forget the placing these increment operations, because if you forget them, then I value is not going to be incremented. Then I value will remain 12 only. Again it will check 12 is greater than 15. Again it will print the same value. So it goes on continuously without any stopping, right? Then it will definitely crash our browser. You can try that. So this is what about while loop and do while loop. So we'll rarely use this do while loop, friends, but I just wanted to tell you the differences between while loop and do while loop and the syntax of the do while loop. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.